Good morning, students. Yet another video on ratio analysis. This one will be profitability ratio. The first one, gross profit ratio. Four more profitabilities are there. This much. Gross profit ratio, funda to remember is whatever they're asking, that will be numerator. See gross profit. Net profit ratio, net profit is numerator. Operating ratio, operating profit. Operating profit ratio, operating profit will be the numerator. And for operating ratio means operating cost, that is cost of revenue from operation, that is cost of revenue from operation plus operating expense, that is total operating cost. Total operating cost divided by, in each case we will divide by revenue from operation, that is sales, net sales, into 100, because these ratios are always in percentage. Profitability ratios are in percentage. Now we will be doing the first one, and that is our gross profit ratio. So gross profit by revenue from operation into 100. What is gross profit? Revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. Yeah, cost of goods sold. Acha. One more thing you remember, students. Opening inventory plus net purchase plus direct expense minus closing inventory. This is also your cost of revenue from operation formula. This is also a formula for cost of revenue from operation. Either you subtract sales minus gross profit, or you take from the debit side of the trading account opening inventory, net purchase plus direct expense minus closing inventory. You will be getting cost of revenue from operation. And once you get cost, you can easily find out the gross profit, subtract it from revenue from operation, you will get the gross profit. So let's do the sum. One sum is there. Cash revenue from operation is 80,000. Credit revenue from operation is 1,20,000. So total revenue from operation is 2 lakhs. You can understand from here. Cost is 1,20,000. So 2 lakhs minus 1,20,000 is nothing but gross profit is 80,000. We know our formula. It is nothing but gross profit revenue from operation. Gross profit is 80,000. So gross profit ratio is gross profit by revenue from operation into 100. 80,000 by 2 lakhs into 100. That is nothing but 40%. You have to give the unit in percent over here, percentage. Now this is your sum. Again, one more sum is there. Over here, credit revenue from operation is 75% of the total revenue from operation. And cash revenue from operation is 2 lakhs. Now cash revenue from operation is 2 lakhs, which is nothing but 25% of total revenue from operation. Therefore, 100% will be what? We can easily find out, or we can find out 100% is nothing but 8 lakhs. Then credit revenue from operation will be 6 lakhs. 8 lakhs minus 2 lakhs credit revenue from operation. But we need to find out total revenue from operation. So 8 lakhs was needed. Now, next is purchase is given excess of opening inventory over closing inventory. That means purchase plus opening stock minus closing stock. Opening stock minus closing stock value is given 50,000. So purchase plus opening minus closing is 5,50,000. That is nothing but our cost of revenue from operation, CRO, 5,50,000. So gross profit will be total revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. That is nothing but 2,50,000. We know our GP ratio formula, GP by total revenue from operation into 100. So 2,50,000 by 8 lakhs into 100, that is 31.25%. This is our gross profit ratio. Now this is your homework, students. Please calculate the GP ratio and email me, WhatsApp me, or comment. You write in the comment section. Thank you, students.